How to transfer liked songs from Spotify to a playlist. Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can easily transfer all of the liked songs on your Spotify and create a separate playlist for them. But before we get started, I want you to head down below to give this video a quick like and subscribe to the channel. So for that, you first need to have the Spotify app on your PC. If you don't have this, you just have to open up your web browser and search for Spotify download. And once you search for Spotify download, you just hit enter and you will get the Windows download for Spotify, or if you're using Mac, you can download Spotify for Mac as well. Once you download it, complete the installation process and then log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will have to go ahead and click on the home icon to get to your home page first, and on the left side of your screen you'll find your library, and under your library what you can find is your liked songs. So you will find the list of all of your liked songs right here. Now what you want to do is go ahead and click on playlists, and from here you want to create a new playlist. So click on this plus icon and then click on create a new playlist. And here on my playlist I'm just going to rename this. I'm just going to click here and name it as transferred songs, and then click on save. If you want, you can add a description as well. And here I'm just going to go ahead and click on liked songs, and now you are going to press Ctrl plus A on your keyboard, which will select all of the song. Then you're going to copy it pressing Ctrl plus C or Command plus C if you're on Mac. Then you just want to head over to your new playlist that you've just created, scroll down a bit, and you're going to press Ctrl plus V. What this will do is it will paste all of these new songs that you've just copied, and it will get you to this new playlist. So that's pretty much it. If you found this helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.